actors and singers and celebrities, we call them what? We call them stars. Look at the deception. We call them stars. You know the star? See how it's nice and pretty and so high you can't get to it? They're stars. They're celebrities. Yet they're dying to drug overdoses on a weekly basis. Suicides again and again. What's happening, man? Fame, they have money, abundant status, as you know, cars, pick one, women, can't remember who I had last night, yet I'm taking my own life, yet I find peace for a couple of minutes in a syringe. Go and search the world. I challenge anyone, you will never find ultimate peace and happiness except with Allah. This world cannot give you peace and happiness. Allah alone can give you peace and happiness. We've been fooled. We've been, as the expression goes, we've been duped, as the Americans say. Today we think peace and happiness comes through money and cars, women and men, homes and positions and status. Allah says, وَمَنْ أَعْرَضَ عَنْ ذِكْرِي فَإِنَّ لَهُ مَعِيشَةً ضَنْكًا. And whoever stays away from my remembrance, Muslim and non-Muslim alike, then for this person is a miserable life. Happiness only comes from Allah.